We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to add you to our list of happy customers. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.